Alright, so we got a 2003 GMC Sonoma. Did a ignition cylinder on it because we had an issue with the customer keeping too much weight on the ignition cylinder, and it just blew the tumblers out, and eventually it was hard to start. Had an issue with turning the ignition cylinder over. Customer struggled to do it, so we replaced the ignition cylinder. Shop before put an ignition cylinder in it, said that they could not start it afterwards. Did not know that you had to change the ignition switch over along with it. It's included right here. I've got the old harness out already, but yeah. So after we get this switched over, we'll do a key relearn on it. She should be good to go.